Nicole and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about beauty products from YESSTYLE.com. And if you stay tuned, I have 2 vouchers worth $50 USD to be given to you. So first up, we're going to talk Nail Repair Eye Cream from Mizon. This is something really interesting and it's so important to look after your eyes. You don't want to have any wrinkles, right? So I'm going to open this and to have look at this. It's so cute, right? And on top of that, they have a seal here where you have to open it and they give you a thing to put it up. And then after that, I'm gonna open this. Look how creamy it is. Oh, it's so creamy and so good for your skin, right? So I'll use a bit of this pad and put it here to let you all see it. And then usually I would just take a bit, and then tap it here. I like to do one by one because this is where the wrinkles, will appear when you're older. So you have to be really careful. You still want to look good when you're 40 or 50. Okay, so can you see it? It's so cool and it's so smooth. See, I will tap it and dab it slowly. This is what I usually do for the eye cream. And the benefits is like, it's not sticky. I notice it's very dewy. Can you notice now? I'm like shiny, like a diamond. Look, I put more and I like to do it here. I tap it more. Okay, so I close my eyes and then do it here too. You never know where all the wrinkles might come in future. So do this for a daily routine. It's very important. This product by Somi by Me. It's a AHA, BHA, PHA 30 days miracle cream. So, and it's not only that, it has 700,000 centella, which is so important for your skin, and it also has some tea extracts. So I'll show it over here. So right now we're gonna open it up, and as you can see, they have a lid, and then, oh wow, it's so creamy. I always love creamy stuff. So let's try on something, and this is something that you have to use appropriately depending on your skin type. Don't put too much or you get some irritation. Just have a dip and then just slowly dab it and put it in your face. So it's important to lift up your face as you apply the cream, as you do not want your face to sag. It's very, very important, okay? And right now I'm holding this, that's why I cannot do the 2 hands. But another thing is, I would like to emphasize also, it's like you gotta do it for your neck too, so you will not have any wrinkles. So I would try this out for 30 days and see what the results are. And this is not only a product for women but also for men, as I've noticed a lot of men out there that has pimply face. They don't really take care. They think it's kind of like, oh my god, it's only for girls, but actually guys, you should really use all these products. That's why you think why women's skin is so smooth like baby. The third product I want to talk about is this hair tonic from Tosowoong. Okay, it's from Korea. It has all these amazing ingredients and something really good that is especially the green tea. So now how do I usually use it is after shower I will spray it inside. Ooh, it's cool. Okay, and then I will let it go in and then smooth it my hair. Put it up and then spray it inside. Okay, just do not just spray over here, but like spray it all inside. So you see, so that all these you can prevent hair loss. You thank me when you grow older. So it's very important to start young because as we always dye hair, for most of us, please remember to use a tonic hair tonic. It's so important for your hair loss. You don't want to be like when you're older and suddenly complaining, oh, why didn't I listen to Nicole when I was Blackhead brush cleanser? It's so interesting and it's so useful. You can just bring this everywhere. If you notice, there's a lot of dirt always around your nose area here or here, right? But with this, you can just use it anywhere, okay? But you gotta dab a bit of water, okay? So right now, I'm just gonna show you. If you press this harder, look, there's something coming out, right? It's brown. Oh, it's a green thing. So after this, I'll just dab my nose and make it a bit wet. So I already dabbed my nose a bit wet, and then I'm gonna do the Blackhead brush cleanser. I'm gonna scrape it. Look at this. Okay, if you slowly go in, it has you put in a bit more effort, and then you notice, you see, you can really clean up your nose over here, see, and it has all removing your little blackheads. It's really important. So this is something really very good that you can bring, and it's traveling, and it's so important for me when I travel, you know. And yeah, so this is something really good, and I totally recommend this. I think this is one of the best thing ever invented. Moonstone Cusion Fit Setting, and I'm really excited about this because it has the SPF of 50, as if you are living in Southeast Asia and the sun is constantly on your face. If you do not protect yourself, you're gonna be burned, and it's not good for your skin. So using this moonstone, it's very nicely done. Look at this, it's beautiful, right? And it's famous. You all know where it came from, Korea. So usually after doing your whole foundation, which I've already just done it recently, I would use this setting to fit into right now here. See, I already removed the sticker. I'll just tap a bit. It's quite a lot really, so and then I'll just grab it. Can you see? Can you see it? It's like it's good. You just dab it fast, yeah, so that it will stay longer in your settings. You see? I think it's wow, it smells good too. So it helps you to hold your makeup so that it will not smudge. Okay, I'm just gonna do it really quickly, and then after that you can see, you see, notice here there's a bit of brown stuff, right? So I just dab it and then it becomes better. Notice? See? There is still a bit of emptiness in there, and then that's where I gotta dab it again and then put it in and cover it up, okay? As you notice, so I totally recommend this cushion setting if you need it. It's very reasonable and it's fast and it's super new. It has 48 hours setting set, okay? So for those who's like, next time if we can ever go partying and stuff like that, you totally need a cushion set for your face because it's so important, you know, to have all this in your handbag at all times. This in YESSTYLE because usually I'll fly all the way to Japan, Tokyo to get my stuff, and usually sometimes I go to Don there in Roppongi, but right now I just have it all at the tips of my hands, just getting it from YESSTYLE. So this is really good. I totally recommend it because it doesn't smudge your makeup. It's so important because when I DJ and stuff like that, if I'm sweating from my face and if these eyeliners drop down or my mascara drops down, oh my god, it's end of the world. I'll look like a crybaby DJing, you know. So it's very important when you get all these important products. This is the Heroine makeup and it's waterproof, so it's really important. And then I'm gonna test it and then just have a look, okay? Just test it on my hands first, and then you can see it. Ooh, it's so thick and so smooth. Look, and it's drying up in my skin already. totally fast. So this is really good. Totally recommend these products and it stays longer. So this is also something waterproof, and I'm gonna have you let you look at this. Oh, I got brown, so it's really nice and you can see it. I'll just do my eyelashes and it will be clear after that. So this is something that I totally recommend. If you really want waterproof stuff, get this Heroine Make Mascara. So right now you're wondering, how do you win that $50 voucher? I'll pick two-person to win that $50 YESSTYLE voucher. So firstly, just tell me what you really like in the comments below, like which products you think is suitable for you, or if you have anything on the YESSTYLE website, you can just tell me, and then after that I'll randomly pick a winner or somebody that says it well, and then I will choose that winner. But on top of that, I want you to tag 5 other people to join this contest too. So I'm gonna do a lot more reviewing stuff, so you can hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So I'm gonna talk about all kinds of stuff like technology, review stuff, and everything. So stay tuned.